Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mirror mode in Samsung DeX on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. You can see that I'm currently using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7, and if you want to go to a mirror mode, you'll need to actually go to settings. You can do that either on your phone or on your monitor in DeX mode. I'll do it on the monitor so you can see it better. Just go to settings and go to connected devices. Now go to Samsung DeX and then go to connected display. Now just set it to mirrored. Now you can see it is mirroring my screen of the phone. And I can do whatever I want here. Everything is very responsive, and whenever you need, simply go to settings, then go to connected devices and Samsung DeX, then connected display extended. If you want to go back to this extended DeX mode. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.